So the example of this locality, if you take this program, like j is equal to value 1, k is equal to value 2, and there is a branch instruction, the for loop, in that branch accessing the sequence of elements from the arrays A and B. Okay. So from here, we are going to find the temporal locality and spatial locality. As just mentioned, the temporary locality means, how we are saying, the recently referenced addresses are likely to be referenced again and again and again. So that is temporal locality. And spatial locality means if an address is referenced, the nearby addresses are likely to be referenced. So from here, the data locality, that is the data are the I variable, j variable, k variable, and the array A and array B. Right? So here in this example, the branch instruction for loop, the I is reused and updated for all the iterations like I++, from I0 to I++. Hence, this is a temporarily local. So the copy of I is placed in the cache memory so that I is reused in this example for 10,000 times by the CPU. So hence it is a temporary local. And like J and K here, they are reused and stay constant for all the iterations because they are globally declared and they stay constant here, whereas I is updated. But for all the 10,000 iterations, this J value and K values are stored in the different locations in the array. So hence, these data are also, the copy of this data will be stored in the cache memory that helps to improve the CPU performance. So that is also temporarily local. And the next observation is the A and B, that is the capital A and capital B, they are the arrays. If suppose A of I is accessed and B of I is accessed, then it is likely to be assumed that A of I plus 1 and B of I plus 1 will also be, in the near future, will also be accessed, will soon be accessed. So hence, this is a spatial locality. It's called the spatial locality. And this is about the data from the program locality part. Second one is in that program, branch is there. In this branch, the for loop is an instruction. The same loop body is executed over all the 10,000 iterations. Hence, these instructions is also temporarily local, means this instruction copy will also keep in the cache memory to speed up the execution time of the CPU, that is to reduce the latency time to accessing these instructions again and again and again. So this is the example of the locality.